what you gonna play around my way, and listen to what I gotta say,
Hey guys, it's Malika Chitara. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm sorry guys, but I'm posting a short video today, but a lot of you guys have been asking me how I do my eyeliner, so this is like a tutorial of how I do my winged eyeliner. Like, also it takes time to like perfect it. Like, I know from experience, I used to watch videos, but like I recommend using liquid eyeliner because the other type is just not as easy. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Alright, so I almost forgot how to open it, guys. I'm special. Anyways, I always start off by doing like a triangle-ish shape. Wait, let me just like show you guys what I mean. Like, see, I go up like that and then I come down. And then I fill it in. And then, sorry, I like mess up the shape already. That's sad. Come down and join here. Alright, so after I do that, I continue it that way. Like this. And then I fill it in. And then we're gonna do the same thing for like the other side too. So triangle. And then you fill it in. And then start from that way. And fill it in. And that's how you do it. I'm just kind of worried because they kind of look like sisters and not twins, but I shall fix that in a bit. But yeah, that is how I do my eyeliner, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If not, message me and I can show you again if that helps. I don't know. Video chat would be easier. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below and tell me if you tried it, if it was helpful. Follow my socials, subscribe. Almost 1,000. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.